A very good morning to you all. Today I will tell you about lecturate. The first thing which I want to tell you that the lecturate is just a part of lecture. It is not a whole lecture. Like the lecture would be like more than 20 minutes. If you are lecturing on some topic, that will be more than 20 minutes. But if you are having the lecturate means just less than 3 minutes, not more than that. And why they are conducting this? Because they want to know whether you are confident or not about the same thing, whether you have the power of expression or not about the same point. That is why they are giving you this point. Whenever you got a new topic, or whenever you have that like opportunity to choose the topic, then always try to choose basic topic. Okay, like the topic is global warming, the second topic is nationalism, the third topic is like rural India, then try to choose rural India. Because they do not want what you are choosing, they just want that whatever you are choosing you are able to express or not. Are you getting my point? Yes. That is why always try to choose easy one or moderate one. या तो आप एवरेज वाला टॉपिक लीजिए या तो आप इजी वाला लीजिए. बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट टू जस्ट हियर यू हाउ यू कैन स्पीक, and your ultimate goal is that not to prove yourself, yeah, I know about that topic. No, they just want on which topic you are very comfortable. ठीक है, तो always try to choose average or easy topic. Okay, now come. The lecturate would be like less than 3 minutes. And whenever you got a topic, like the topic is XYZ, anything, and if you are lacking with your organizing idea, like you have the ideas but it is like a flood कि इधर से भी पॉइंट आ जा रहा है, उधर से भी पॉइंट आ जा रहा है, then try to organize it, and that will happen only with what, why and how. And whenever you are lecturing something, when you have the lecturate topic, then try to speak slowly. I am talking in the manner of speed, in the context of speed. आपकी कैसी हो? बिल्कुल slow हो. Like the topic which I got to speak here, that is child labor. So it means you are just not lecturing the thing, you are want to communicating with others. Like whatever you want to speak, your goal is that the person who are in front of you, they will get the same one. That is why you are speaking. Have you got it? Now, when you have this what, why and how, try to maintain proper eye contact and try to be confident, and there should be a cheerfulness on your face. But that cheerfulness doesn't mean that always laugh. It just means a little bit of cheerfulness. But if the topic is like the topic is relating violence, the topic is something like very negative topic, then you cannot be cheerful. Like the topic is child labor. A very good morning to you all. I am going to speak on child labor. Child labor is very bad. I am speaking child labor is very bad, but I am laughing. It means I am not connecting myself to the point. So you need to give your expression according to the topic. If the topic has some innovation, if topic has some like education and all, then try to enhance on the point which you want to give to your audience. जो point आप देना चाहते हैं audience को कि इस point से education बदलेगा, उस पर ज़्यादा emphasize करें. And in the lecturate, always try to move your hand. It is a positive quality, but it should be within 1 feet. 1 feet के अंदर होना चाहिए. और अगर ये आपका हाथ ज़्यादा चल रहा है, then try to lock it. Okay, have you got? Now, in the last, I want to tell you now what, why and how. What you know, huh? Like the topic is XYZ, then you can elaborate what is XYZ. But if you don't know about the topic, then try to give some creative words in among that one. Try to change your word. And if the topic is very social, because initially I have already told you that choose easy topic. Like the topic is dowry, then what is dowry, how we can solve it, and why it is there, how we can solve it, what is, and you can add something like the time is just 2 minutes and you want to take it for 3 minutes, then add your opinion about the same one, how you can deal with that. And it means that you are a progressive one, you have the constructive mindset to change the society. Like you are not only speaking with the points कि ये कर दो वो कर दो ये कर दो. What is your opinion, how you can do the same thing? This makes like a different one. So this is what the thing you all can do in the lecturate. The first thing is that you need to organize the topic, what, why and how. The second thing is eye contact and try to choose easy topics and try to conclude it. There should be a happy ending of the topic. Like that is all from my side. ठीक. Now I want to give you a demo with a topic. Like I will speak on the topic child labor. Okay, now see. A very good morning to you all. The topic which I got to speak here, that is child labor. Ladies and gentlemen, the child labor is a huge problem for any country. In our country, the childs who are less than 14 years old, if they are working in hazardous work, then it is very shameful for us. And there is a country called Bolivia. They legalized the child labor in 2016 because they think that if their child is working for their country, the child that country will grow. But they are legalizing it because they have the lack of numbers, because they have the lack of population. But we have it already. If we make it like population as a resource, then there is no one who can go for the child labor. They can have a fun, they can make some sort of helicopter, they can make some sort of toys. And child labor is like 1.2 lakhs of children, they are working in hazardous work. And not only this, in our daily life, when we see on like neighbor shop and all, on the tea shop they are serving chotu something like, they are serving tea and all. The Kailash Satyarthi is going like doing very good for the same one. And at the same time, the child labor can be eradicated with only with the education. And there should be a rehabilitation process, that is Punarvas. A government should take their each and everything. They should take the responsibility. They should take them from that hazardous work. They should give them the foods. They should give them the proper cloth. They should give them the proper education. Then they will grow. But one more thing which I want to add here, it is my opinion. The child labor is proportional to responsibility. When you have the laboring thing, then your responsibility increase. Then somewhat the child labor is positive also. Because whenever a child is taking responsibility, in the little bit of money he will do a very good work. He will be very honest. He is taking the responsibility. It means whenever he will be like more than 14 or more than 18 years, he will be more productive than others. That is why in this context the child labor can be good also. That is all. Thank you.